Key Bank is giving out upwards of $100,000 in no documentation business funding. Here's my client, Becky from Oregon. She got a $50,000 business line of credit approved with no docs. Here's Julian from Florida. He got a $25,000 business credit card and a $25,000 business line of credit approved with no docs. Here's my other client, Alton from Michigan. He got $90,000 in no doc business funding using the double LLC hack. Stay to the end of the video to learn what that is. And here's Robin. He got his clients in Utah $100,000 business line of credit approved. Want to learn how they did it? Well, stick around for the next 2 to 3 minutes or so, and I'll show you how. What's up, guys? My name's Colin Matthew, and I'm the owner of Credit Veterans. We offer business funding and credit repair with no upfront fees. We do the work first, and then you pay. Click the link in the description below to learn more, or to learn more about my business funding one-on-one and group mentorship packages. Key Bank is a national lender in 16 states, and they offer a variety of funding products to include business term loans and business lines of credit up to $500,000, a variety of business credit cards to include cashback, 0% and travel rewards, business real estate loans and borrowing up to $1 million, and equipment financing. They also offer SBA loans up to $5 million, with the average loan size being $350,000. All right, guys, let's get into the down and dirty, the data points. I spoke with a business banker at Key Bank, and they told me you do have to open the business checking account in order to apply for their lending products. They do ask for tax returns for amounts above $50,000, but generally it's no doc for amounts $50K and below. They primarily pull your Equifax bureau, and you could be approved for 2 lending products for 1 inquiry. For example, if you were to get both a business credit card and a business line of credit, they would typically just do 1 hard pull for you. Now for the double LLC funding hack. My client Alton had 2 LLCs, one for his realty company and one for his notary business. He walked into Key Bank, applied, and was approved for a $25,000 card and a $25,000 business line of credit for his first LLC. He then told the banker that he also had another company and asked if he could apply with that one as well. They allowed him to apply, and he was approved for an additional $25,000 business line of credit and $15,000 0% card, totaling $90,000 in no documentation business funding. Now, one more thing to note here, guys. In my experience, if you apply for both the business credit card and business line of credit at the same time at any bank, they will typically give you less than if you just apply for the business line of credit, wait for that to get approved, and then apply for the business credit card. And I believe that's because they like to just split the total amount approved if you apply for both products at the same time. Whereas if you apply for one, you could get the max amount approved on the BLOC. And then if you apply for the credit card, you can also get the max amount approved for the credit card. All right, guys, that about wraps it up. I did my part and dropped some major value for you guys. So now it's time for you to do your part. If you could please tap that like button below and drop a comment. Let me know if you enjoyed the video or if you learned anything new. I would really greatly appreciate that. And if you haven't already, the subscribe button is right down there too. What are you waiting for? People pay a lot of money to learn what I'm dishing out here on this channel for free. So you're not going to want to miss out on any of my future videos. Be sure to subscribe. This is Colin Matthew, and I'll see you guys on the next one.